What's up? I'm Estelle. I'm the founder of Florida Van Life, and welcome to our latest off-grid, completely off-grid camper van. Follow me inside this high-top camper van. I'll show you the insides, the appliances, and all these things for the kitchen. So, to start, we have this our classic water system, which is just a touch of a button up here, and the battery's right here in this faucet, and it comes out of the fresh water tank and flows right into the gray water tank. In some of our builds, we have it flow right outside, and this one we just have it in a gray water tank. And then a cute little curtain to cover that up, because we are all about making everything cute here, and we don't want to see ugly things. So, and that said, we love this vintage microwave that we added in, and this runs completely off-grid from the solar panels up on top, flows into the battery system in the back, and it runs. You can be out in the desert, the mountains, the beach, wherever you are. You can be running completely off-grid with your microwave or your fridge. You can add an air fryer, you can add a Starlink, laptops, cameras, chargers, any of that. So this is our fridge, and what we like about this is it's off-grid. You can also be on-grid if you're on a campsite or something. And it also works if you want to conserve energy. You can open this up. And it actually works really well just as a cooler as well. So you can add ice in there and just pick it up at a gas station or something. And you can keep all your items fresh. Just use it as a regular cooler. And then if you have a lot of power, then you can use it as a fridge. Love that design. And then right here, we have a ton of storage under here. We have our blackout curtain for our skylight. I'll show you that in a moment. And then we also have this is our hammock, which this is something I am all about, being comfy, cozy, hanging out. You can tell around the shop here, we just have probably, I don't know, conservatively 10 hammocks just right here in the shop. So I do like to add these to all of our builds. And it's so comfy. Imagine you're just like out in the mountains, you can swing in, out on the beach, wherever. And it's just an extra chair, works really well. And right here, it has, I believe it's a 414-pound weight limit on these harnesses and carabiners. So you're gonna be very secure up there. So we have this, and then I'll show you under the bed. Under the bed, we have a lot of storage. And this you can just put all your clothes, your like sporting equipment, your toys, whatever you need, you can keep it in here. You'll be nice and comfy, cozy. And then up here, this is what I like about the high top campers is when you're in bed, you can actually like sit up, you're comfy, you're not crouched over like a troll or something. So then up here, you're good. You can be like, you have this whole skylight over this queen bed, and you feel like you have a ton of space and a lot of storage underneath. And then up here, people ask sometimes, with the skylight, I love it. It's so cool. Like that you love sleeping under the stars, having the natural light. But people wonder, does it get hot in here? Yes, if you leave like the curtain undone, for sure it can get hot up there. But that's why we make these blackout curtains. And we add them up here. Super easy to use with the Velcro. And now you're completely protected from the sun, or say if you're parked in a campsite or a Walmart or a Cracker Barrel, wherever you are, and you don't want to have a spotlight coming in, and you don't want to have like the stars or the bright moon coming in complete darkness when you're sleeping. This works really well. It's 100%, makes it very dark. I don't know what this material is, I just call it magic. And I'll show you the front. Okay, welcome up here to the front and driver and passenger area. This is where you can go off on your adventures and you're driving around, having a lot of fun. And this is the passenger seat right here. You have storage right here and secret little storage right there. We like to leave little gifts for you around. And we want to remind you to stay wild. And right here, this is also where we have our toilet. So we use these, we put these in a lot of our builds. What's funny is we found most of our buyers don't actually use the toilets, but I think people think they need them, so we include them. You might find if you end up buying this van, you might not actually use it. But it's a cassette toilet, so it's here for you if you need. But sometimes we realize people don't. This might be TMI, but when I was living in solo female van life, I would just use a funnel, and that was the most convenient and easiest thing to use. So if you have like a large Gatorade bottle and a funnel, very easy. And then I think this is everything we need to show you up in front. But we have custom artwork for our in-house artists throughout all of our builds. So this one's got the universe themed star, it has planets. We really love this one. It's so amazing to see. And then of course for each one, when people ask what year, make, model is it a Dodge, Chevy, Ford? I'm like, what do you mean? It's Florida van life. Okay, welcome to the back. This is a queen size bed up on top. And then we have, right underneath here, a ton of storage. We also have our complete off-grid system. These work really, really well, and they can actually run the fridge up there and the microwave off-grid. It also can run this whole AC unit right here completely off-grid. So it's amazing. You can be out in the desert, you can be out on like the hottest day wherever you are. It can be hot in the van, but as soon as you maybe block that blackout curtain, draw the curtains down, turn on the AC, and it'll cool down like, it'll cool down very quickly. Because you keep in mind, vans are a small space, which means it will heat up and cool down very quickly. You just give it a few minutes. And then this is, complete off-grid system. So right here we have 100 amp hour, and then right here, 300 amp hour, and right here, 2200 wattage. So it's great. This is a very robust system that can work well for all of your needs. And then what we also do is we add in a plug on the side of the van here. Even if you don't have sun for a bit, if you're out traveling Pacific Northwest or up there and you don't have sun, no problem, because you can plug into the side and it can also charge up these batteries. So even without the sun, the battery system will still work as long as you're in a campsite, or you even plug into a gas station or anywhere with an extension cord and they allow you to plug up, then you can charge these things up with or without sun. Well, thank you for watching our high top camper van conversion video. We love building out these vans. It feels like play to us, and we just hope the right person buys this van out. We also want to remind you at Florida Van Life to stay wild and live free. If you want to go on an adventure, work with Florida Van Life.